No need for a scope, I'm just gon' up that bitch and shoot. No need for a switch, I'm just gon' blow him like a flute. And he pushing niggas mad, dissing on a hold down group. Like we ain't finna come from the back dressed in a suit. Hit his ass with a chopper, bitch gon' knock him out of shoes. Man, he pushing niggas dissing, put his bitch ass on the news. When we pop out with them cutters, ain't no stopping till he through. Shout out to them niggas 3, yeah, I fuck with them too. These niggas talking bad, I might have to boost me a nigga. In the backseat with some, tryna hop out, put some triggers. Hit his ass with a Jerry, ain't no missing for me, nigga. And now I got a little something pull up on me, nigga. And I'm back in this bitch with a motherfucking stick. Hit his bitch ass with this chopper, make a nigga fold quick. I ain't worried about no bricks, I got this Choppo with me, bitch. Niggas act like big dogs, so we run out with them blicks. When we get that nigga, have him swimming with the fish. Make that nigga take blood, the proof he ain't no bitch. Nigga already started, ain't no stopping shit. Hit this bitch ass with these hollows, watch a nigga skull miss. I been back on my shit, they try hard to make me miss. Watch how hard this shit hit, watch how far this shit get. Stop the car, I won't miss. Have him going in a gliss. All them niggas do is this, so hit his ass in this shit. I ain't never give a fuck, the police ain't stopping shit. We gon' draw down with them poles, and his name is Family Miss. And all them rappers old, nigga, this that new shit. And all these niggas pushing buttons, this that kill switch. Ayy, I came in and tripped, these niggas acting like a bitch. Told my stone to grab a pole, these niggas ain't taking shit. Hit his bitch ass with his chop, but his top I won't miss. And I go by Choppo, bitch, I know you like that shit. These niggas talking bad, I might have to boost me a nigga. In the backseat with some, tryna hop out with some triggers. Hit his ass with a Jerry, ain't no missing for me, nigga.